Alright, today's an exciting video because Kylie, which that's the name of the car, finally got a name for her, is getting cut up. I cut up the driver's side and put the fender on it. These are the crown carbons that were in the last video. I guess I can give a little bit of a better review now on them. They fit pretty good. I'm actually going to take the same material that that's wrapped with and wrap this little white strip in here. The car was black, it wouldn't be an issue, but it sticks out like a sore thumb all the way around it. But fitment is pretty good. Had a little bit of issues, but nothing that I couldn't work out. And yeah, here we go. There's a little issue inside the rear end, so I'm going to pull that apart. I'm destroying tires, and I believe something's actually loose, but we'll see what that is. And cut this portion in here, but I'm thinking I'm going to cut it out now so you can't actually see it. That or just paint it black, or maybe beat it in a little bit. We'll see about that. So anyhow, all's good. I'm going to do a little how-to video on cutting up the other side, and I should have a few of my friends coming over today to, moral support. Also, the front fenders, they're inside of Norfolk right now, so I'm just waiting till Monday so I can pick. Alright guys, I drilled my first hole. I'm either going to explain how to, mark your first hole. Just have a bunch of people holding this on the car and then just wing it. Just fucking drill a hole. That's about right, right? Alright guys, so you're going to need a smaller drill bit, and you're going to need a 9.5 millimeter, which I believe is a 3/8. And
high quality tutorial.
You want to start out with this one right here.
So high quality.
Slightly smaller. Doesn't matter what size it is. Maybe around the size of this right here. My friends are joking me.
Still takes it. Something like this, sort of this size.
So drill this one first through this and the car, and then drill the bigger hole in the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do our second hole now. And it's not going to turn out good at all. Yeah. Move over a little bit. Man, where were y'all last night, man?
Well, you went to work last night.
Last night I was working as well.
Would you come home from work and continue working?
Yes.
Oh, well shit, I could have came over instead of falling asleep on the couch.
You could have.
Last night I was making annoying small wrapped fucking donuts.
You get like drunk people that come through there?
What?
You get like drunk people that come through there?
Oh, you don't know.
I figured.
That's why his lady game is so good.
Yeah.
Talking to drunk girls.
That's like me stealing everybody's girls.
Stop.
Oh man, you stole everybody's girls.
One time.
Oh
in
man.
front of you guys.
It seemed one time in front of us. Yeah, it seemed like you were a pro at the.
Negative. Not about that.
Well, it's completely okay if we're not even really dating yet.
Yeah.
I don't know,
David
guys.
gets out of his car. What's up, ladies, man? Oh God. What the hell?
All right, Dave, you can let out a little bit.
Let out?
Yeah.
Let out of it?
Yeah.
Hey, David, can you come here? Just hold it. Alright, nice.
I don't know why, but I like this one better than the other one.
It's because it got that gas door hole in it.
David likes them holes.
David loves holes.
You do.
Doesn't matter what hole. I think any of them.
All right, guys, it's as simple as this.
Oh shit, has he been recording this whole time?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
everything
boy.
y'all said's on recording. Recorded.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. Y'all have been recorded this whole time.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. That was That simple. Just a little bit of talk about holes and everything works out. That's how it goes. Alright, so we're gonna drill a series of more holes all the way around this and
I'm saying
yeah.
holes.
I mean, everybody likes holes, man. There's a hole right here, hole over there, holes, 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 holes. David, what do you like?
Dig it up, dig it up,
I don't know where that came from.
We're good.
Yeah. Let's see these holes. God, I hate that. That hole didn't look good. Screw myself up. It's like we know the camera's running, so like nobody's talking anymore. All these weird conversations, and then y'all just gonna stop like right now, you know?
What are we working on now, Davin?
We are gonna cut my fenders. We're gonna literally just chop it up. Don't look back. Man, that sucks. I have David's back here, but you know I'm lazy. I don't want to run the barn with it. But yeah, no more fenders. Mint-bodied, pearl white 350Z, low mileage. Well, you know, don't show them that.
Look at that. It's so clean. Look at these.
They were clean. It was clean, but when I got it, all right.
I don't know.
But now I'm taking an angle grinder too. So, I really don't suggest doing it this way, especially with no shoes on. The last time I did, everything started smoking. This thing's pretty lethal. So,
When
yeah.
you take these videos for people, have you ever done it safe?
No, I'm not a safe person, but I tell them that every time. Kids, don't do this. Don't be like me. You'll hurt yourself. You know, stuff like that.
All right. How are these exact measurements going?
Go ahead and
Good straight line we got going.
just go ahead and take the body line out. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come up about right here. I'm just gonna draw a little line like this. Nothing has to be exact, guys. Nothing has to be exact. Actually, I'm probably gonna take this line right here. Yep. And then I'm gonna cut it back all the way until about here. I'm gonna make a rough turn downwards.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. That looks ugly. Let's do more like.
Oh, because everything just looks so pretty right
There's
now.
one thing though.
Yeah.
There's one thing though.
What's that? Whoa. A lot of circles.
Because it's
Alright, guys, thanks for that. Thank you.
Souvenir.
Where's my... Guys, y'all, oh my lord, guys. Oh my god. You might want to stand back, man. I'm gonna tell you, this is like really. This time I'm gonna let it calm down a little bit so that it doesn't start smoking as bad as the other side did. The other side was pretty sketchy. Like it wasn't cool at all. Very, very sketchy. Alright, that's enough.
smells great.
Thank you. Alright, now here's the tools for the next part of the job right here. You want a good knife that you probably got from like some steakhouse, alright, not your house, and you want a rubber mallet. This is going to come in handy too. So. You'd be surprised what you can do with a steakhouse knife. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good thing that part's gonna be covered up.
Alright.
I like the pause where he's like, shit. Oh well.
Don't ever adjust the guard while it's still rolling. That is definitely a no-no.
So last time you did this, you took your wheel off first, right?
They're gonna be here all day.
No.
Oh, okay.
So what's gonna be done? Well. Alright, see you soon. Alright. Bye. Blake's coming over.
Believe it or not, last time was a lot sketchier than this. Yeah, looks pretty clean in these parts. I didn't even jack the car the last time. Yeah. Alright, here we go. That's what I'm cutting off. You guys can do it a little bit differently. I'm going to beat this in a little bit. Eventually I'm just going to cut this whole thing off, but for right now I just want to get the initial cutting done. I'm going to knock this in a little bit so it doesn't get the tire, or out, should I say. And then send it.
Send it.
Send it.
Don't say it.
Send it.
So,
So what's this specialty piece of equipment we're using here,
this
Gavin?
is called an inner fender liner.
Adjuster.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I personally just like to get a little bit of an upwards
Gentle upwards motions.
motion.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very, very delicate tool. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. For a delicate job, though.
You gotta have the right touch.
Yeah.
Now in this part, you're gonna want to take it to a specialist because it's really difficult to get that clean, straight line going.
Yeah, specialists like me.
Like him.
I'm a specialist, you know. I specialize in cutting up people's cars. David, you know what, man? All the times I cut up your car, I ain't never cut it up like this.
Nope.
So, yeah, anyways, you keep beating enough, the metal will start to flare upwards and your tire won't hit it. The other side, I cut little recesses inside it, and I bent it over the factory metal, and then eventually I'm just going to tack weld it, all the pieces. But this side, we're literally just going to send it. Okay, so I'm not going for too much of a symmetricalness because eventually I'm actually going to cut off a lot more of this. This is just to get it on and together right now. But I've gotten this rounded upwards so that if something catastrophic happened and for some reason the tire reached that high, it wouldn't completely slice open my tire like the other side. I thought about that.
Don't do it.
What do you mean? What, this thing's got to be repainted regardless.
Alright, so what do we got going now? Got a
Anti-rust.
Alright.
Oh shit, you see it spitting. I use clear because if I get overspray on everything, who knows? See that marker running away?
If you ever need a fresh paint job, your boy Davin's got you covered.
I got you. Alright.
Hey, what's up?
Record him, keep it on him, keep it on him. How you like it, Devon?
I like mine.
It looks sick, man. That is the least hype Devon's ever been. I was like, we gotta record him with this.
It almost matches your trunk, because almost in glossiness. Your last set was hella ashy though.
I delete that cut. It just calls you out on camera.
Huh? The last set was hella ashy.
Yeah, you can't put that.
It's all good, man.
Put that in.
It's all good, bro. The last set was hella ashy. These look a lot better. They look a lot better.
Like, I'm talking the last set almost looked like it wasn't carbon.
Man.
Wait, so you got that dry carbon?
I'll be out in a second.
What a reaction.
Got it all cleaned up. Here is the final look of the car.